Let us take a look into the first formative years of the college, that is from 1958 to 1964. The year 1958 marked a historic moment in the history of PUC. This was the year that the college was established under the name Ideal College. In October 1957, 20 men gathered in the home of Mr. Pachhunga to discuss the urgent necessity of a college in Mizoram, because majority of Mizo youth who had no funds to venture outside could not pursue higher studies. There they constituted the first organizing board for the college. The appointed chairman was Mr. Pachhunga, secretary as Mr. H.K. Boitswaka, Assistant Secretary as Mr. Van Hela, and Treasurer as Mr. hlimthla. The then DC, Mr. Iles Ingti, along with other 20 prominent members of the community who had sat down before, decided to initiate the idea. For the first time in the history of Mizoram, the first college was opened on the 15th of August 1958. The first classes were held below Aizol Theatre, which is the present Vanapa Hall, as well as in a building below the present-day City Park. (1965 to 1981) marked the era of development and students' activism. Amid scarcity of building land in central Aizol, the college acquired the new site below the town on the eastern side, where it proudly stands today. So 1965 marked a shift to a new campus, and soon the college was in possession of a hall, classroom, library, office facilities, staffs, and student common rooms. It also signified the provincialization of the college under the government of Assam and came to be known as Pachhunga Memorial Government College. Amidst ongoing developmental work in the college, the political situation in Mizoram grew more and more tense with a demand for independence from the Union of India. A little tug and pull from forces outside the campus. It was during these troubled times students' activism peaked under the umbrella of the Mizo Zirlai Pole and later on the Mizo Students' Union. Students were torn in their loyalties. Some went underground while others remained. The upgrading of the status of Mizoram from a district council to a union territory in 1972 led to the handing of the college from the government of Assam to the government of Mizoram. 1973 marked the opening of the science stream for the first time in Mizoram. In 1979, the college became the only constituent college of Nehu and came to be called as we do today, Pachhunga University College. (1981) marked a sad year for the college. The burning of one of the best libraries in the Northeast, the Treasure of Mizoram, our college library. (1982 to 2008) marked the rise of the college to a premier institution. With spirits undaunted and the mission of establishing a college as firm as ever, works of reconstruction began forthwith under the principalship of Professor Dartsona. Thus began the restoration of the college library. first college bus was acquired in 1982. The second one the following year. The year 1984 was a significant one, marking the Silver Jubilee celebration of the college. The course of Bachelor of Commerce was introduced for the first time in Mizoram the same year. When in 2001, Mizoram University came to have a central university of its own. As many as 42 teachers of the college opted for Nehu service, leaving the college to join Nehu. However, the Mizoram University appointed regular teachers within the shortest possible time. The college became very fortunate to have many young talented teachers. The college had truly become a trendsetter, being the first in Mizoram to organize graduation dinner in 2005 and the first to adorn a college t-shirt in 2006. Taking over the charge of principal in 2004, Dr. H. Lelungwana became the first principal with a regular appointment after the college became a constituent college under Mizoram University. 2008 marked the golden jubilee of the college. A commendable act noteworthy was securing the cooperation of the Pachhunga family. In connection with the college golden jubilee in 2008, the busts of Mr. Pachhunga and Mr. hlimthla have been placed at vantage points in the college campus. The chapter on the road to excellence began from 2009, extending well till date. As the college enters the recent decade under the able principalship of Dr. Ton Enga, it continues to dedicate its efforts to achieving excellency. It strengthens its infrastructure, adopts innovative methods of teaching, and emphasizes on holistic education of students and faculty members. Facing the first cycle of National Assessment and Accreditation Council in 2011, the college secured PEEP accreditation. With an attempt to reach the peak, it strives towards academic excellence, promotes social services, adopted villages, donated blood, students' exposure, and research. These efforts were ceremoniously validated with an A+ accreditation in the second cycle in 2016. It was also valiantly awarded the prestigious status of college with potential for excellence by the UGC this very year. Making 2016 a golden year for the college. It also achieved the Indira Gandhi NSS Award for its outstanding contribution to community services. Proving its potential for excellence even beyond academics, the college bagged the title of overall champion in Mizoram University Sports Meet for 3 consecutive years in 2016, 2017 and 2018. In 2017, the innumerable achievements accomplished was celebrated with exuberance in the event marked as the Grand Celebration. As the college hurls to its 60 years milestone, a historic event was witnessed on the 1st of August 2018. The inauguration of postgraduate courses in the Department of Mizo, Philosophy and Life Sciences, making PUC the first PG college in Mizoram. The college was also recently awarded the ISO certification for Environmental Management System and Quality Management System. A new era for the college began when our present principal, Professor H. Lal became the principal on the 1st of March 2021. (2018 to 2023) towards national recognition. The college continues its upward trajectory towards growth and progress in the field of academic achievements, sports, research, infrastructural development and service. However, in 2020, as the global community came under lockdown as the pandemic COVID-19 disrupted life as we know it, and the college and its fraternity quickly adapted to the changing situations. Our faculty, including our most senior members, instantly familiarized themselves with technology and online learning, using online platforms such as Zoom, WebEx, and Google Classroom to teach, interact with, and conduct exams and tests for their students. During these turbulent times, each faculty and staff of the college came together to contribute relief money towards the local level task force of 7 neighboring communities of the college. Learning and service continued, unimpeded by the pandemic, as we all learned to adapt, to improvise and to master what became known as the new normal. As the college celebrates its many milestones, the NSS celebrated its 50th Jubilee on the 14th October 2022. In its 50 years, the NSS has rendered innumerable services towards the community, for which they are recognized as holding the world record for the largest one-day blood donation campaign in 2021. They also received the first prize for the most units of blood donated by an educational institution by the AVBD Mizoram in 2023. The college steadily became a contender in the national arena, participating in the National Institutional Ranking Framework under the Ministry of Education, and in 2023 was ranked 34th among 2,272 colleges in India. In 2022, the college retained its A+ grade under the National Assessment and Accreditation Council (UGC) with a CGPA of 3.47. The college also participated in the survey conducted by the India Today MDRA, receiving 136th rank in arts, 152nd in science, and 188th in commerce. As the central government and the UGC implemented different national schemes in education, the college marched along with the rest of the nation, becoming the first institution in the Northeast to implement the Common University Entrance Test under the NTA for admission to central government institutions in 2022. The college also started following the newly implemented NEP 2020 syllabus from 2023 onwards. Pachhunga University College was founded by philanthropists who dreamt of establishing a state institution that would shape the minds and nurture the aspirations of its youths, enabling them to walk with pride among their national and international peers. This undying dream, envisioned 65 years ago by its founding fathers, continued to be materialized as the college steadily marches on towards recognition, acclamation, and excellence. To quote our respected principal, Professor H. Lilthanzara, as learning and service continues to be our guiding light, with renewed zeal, let us reach new heights. May we strive towards greater goals. May we remind ourselves to be grateful to all who have been instrumental towards the success of our beloved college. Unity is our strength. Long live Pachhunga University College.